Hey there, Munchie Mafia. So we're going to break down this nice, beautiful fillet of salmon. So let's get to it. Hey, Munchie Mafia. So I need to look for something real quick. Um, One of the bad things about um, getting hold of salmon that you have not prepped yourself is that sometimes you end up with bones in it. So we're gonna just take that bone out of there. We're gonna feel around. There's another one right there. And what you can use is needle nose pliers. I've got some plating tongs because I can't find my debone tool. There we go. There's another one. No, did I miss it? So one of these days when I can actually afford to do so, I will go and buy a whole salmon and show you how to break down a whole one. But for right now, this is all we got because prices on seafood are starting to climb. All right, so I'm not feeling any more in there. We're all good. Put that down. Now, this is the back. This is going to be the belly area. What I generally like to do is feel along. You could tell this is a nice, good piece of fish. It springs right back. We're going to feel right along. You'll feel a line there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually take this belly off. Oh crap, this is not scaled. Okay, so plan B. All right. How to scale salmon. So you take this tail piece off, right? This is going to be the easiest way to do it. All right. Now we're going to take it, we're going to flip it around. We're going to poke a hole right there. Now, don't poke the hole with the blade facing you, okay? Put the hole there. We're going to take our knife. We're going to stick our finger through the hole. We're going to hold the knife there at an angle, and then we're just going to grab and stick our finger in the hole, and we're going to just wiggle this skin right out of the way. There we go. Oh, whoops, missed. Missed a little tiny sliver, but that's okay. But as you can see, nice and clean. I wonder if that's even worth teasing off. Yeah, why not? It's a whole ounce and a half. Price of. So sometimes that happens, you know, and you just got to tease it. So don't let this intimidate you. Okay, as you can see, I'm a professional, and even that got the best of me for a moment. All right, there we go. There we have it. Oh, there's another one. At least that one came out. Not feeling anymore. So yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut these into some decent pieces, like so and like so. And now we're going to get banana leaves. These are going to go into the smoker. And the thing I like so much about using banana leaves is that it still allows for the smoke to penetrate the fish, but it also protects the fish from drying out. So there's that. We're going to split that. We're going to take this And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a look and see how we can wrap this like so. Whoops. That one split up. That one, oh my God. Stop. Stop. All right. And then we're going to take that. I'm going to fold that over and then fold it over one more. Actually, I forgot to season it first. That's so funny. Okay, so this is just kosher salt and Old Bay seasoning. We're going to rub both sides very generously. There we go. Now, since this is a split side here. Oh my God. Why? Come on. There we go. All right. Take that. Fold this over. And we're basically going to make a little packet. Kind of like as if we're going to do a burrito of sorts. Okay? So just like so. Go for the next piece. Generously rub. And like I said, if you can't find banana leaves, you can just wrap it in parchment paper. I like banana leaves because it stays moist. And then we're just going to wrap it. And this is going to be enough for seafood chowder for 2 people for about 4 days. So now we're going to take the next one. Rub this down generously. Hi, Winnie. Winnie's come over to help. There we go.
No, he's come over to eat the salmon.
He's come over to eat the salmon. Well, he can't have raw salmon. All right. Now we're going to just take these belly pieces and that trim. We're just going to tuck it in with this one. Just like so. Just like so. Now, Old Bay is a really big, popular staple in my household, so it's pretty easy to find just about everywhere, I believe. I don't think there's any place that wouldn't have it. Let's see, let's put that right there like that. Like that. Let's see. Oh, you piece of garbage. You know what? I don't like this brand of banana leaves. Never had this problem with the other ones. Gonna have to go to the other Asian store. You know what? That one's shortened up. So actually, let's grab that, those pieces. And we'll just kind of fold that over, fold that over, fold this over. And then there we have that. Put that in the garbage. I don't want to contaminate the rest of them. I'll be able to. When our freezer died a while back, I had to throw away packages upon packages of banana leaves. Now, if you don't know where to find banana leaves, you can get these at the Asian markets. Yeah, I don't like. Oh my God! It's like, really. I don't like this brand at all. Alright. Son of a bitch. Yeah, we don't polish our content. We just let accidents happen. No. God, I'm getting old. Getting too old for this. Alright. Alright, let's give this a try. What is he doing over there?
Grousing.
Grousing, okay. Winnie, stop grousing. Alright. There. Alright, next. I'm going to tuck that in. Why are these splitting on me like this? I don't like that. Alright, there we go. Oh my god, why? Why are you doing this to me? Alright, there. Problem solved. Alright. So, that's that. Those are going to go in the smoker for roughly about an hour, hour and 15 minutes. Low and slow, along with some corn. And see you in the premiere. Remember to always cook with love, eat with passion. Have a good night.